y'all, so Cinco de Mayo is around the corner, so we're going to kick things off with this healthy recipe. To my bowl, you're going to add some tomatoes and cilantro. Then you're going to add some watermelon. We're basically going to make a watermelon pico de gallo. This is my red onions. You want to add them down in there. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box. You want to add your jalapeños, seeds out of course, and yeah, you want to mix and make sure you incorporate it properly. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right here. Nice and bright and pretty. You want to salt it to taste. You don't want to add pepper because you have jalapenos down in there, so there's no use for it. And of course, your lime. Yummy. Again, that's what it looks like. Now we're on to the chicken. We're going to season this with, of course, Spicy Girl. If you haven't gotten your bottle, you can order it. The link will be below. I'm going to add Spicy Girl. This is my personal jar, y'all. Spicy Girl right onto the chicken. You don't need, well, I don't use a whole lot. Tablespoon or two is good enough for me. I have about 4 thighs. Then you're going to add some brown sugar. I got dark brown sugar, actually. You're going to add some sweetness to your chicken. It gives that extra thing in the back. The spice is not too sweet at all, so the brown sugar definitely picks it up. And this is how beautiful. I just want you to know. But anyway, all right, guys, so now you're going to take your avocado and put it in a bowl. You want to mash it just a tad before we add the rest of the ingredients. You're going to add some red onion, jalapeno, and some lime juice. You want to keep this part simple because the other 2 parts are pretty strong in flavor, so you don't want to kill it. Add some salt to taste. You guys already know avocado needs a lot of help as far as like seasoning, like salt. So, and some pepper, because I didn't add that much jalapeno, so you could definitely use pepper here. And then you're going to add the cilantro, and you want to mash it and mix. And this is what it looks like right here. Sometimes I can't even believe, like, that's my spice. That looks so good on this chicken. Like, I can't. I really can't. Next, you want to add your garlic rum butter. We made that previously in a previous video. I'll also link that below. This butter is super delicious and goes great on savory dishes. So I'll link that right below for you guys. All right, so I'm just waiting. Look at the skillet back there. Look at that skillet. But anyway, y'all, I'm just waiting on the chicken to cool right now. If you're vegan, all you have to do is leave off the chicken. Look at God. Look at God. And if you want it to be more hearty, season your shiitake mushrooms with my spice. Cook it down just like I cooked the chicken, and put it right over the avocado and the salsa. And you're good to go. Look at God. Alright, so now all you want to do is take a cleaver or a knife and just, go at it with your chicken. Hack it into smaller pieces and get it ready to go. Alright, y'all, so I'm ready to assemble. What I have right here is my butter lettuce and my chicken chopped up, as y'all saw earlier. My pico de gallo, watermelon pico de gallo, and my avocado. Alright, finally it's time to assemble. You want to take your avocado mixture and put it right down on your lettuce, your butter lettuce. Next, you want to take your chicken pieces and you want to put that on top. You could put it in whatever direction you want, but I do it this way so it's less messy. Then you want to put your pico de gallo, your watermelon pico de gallo on top. And that's it, guys. This is what it looks like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this easy, simple recipe. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, and this is pretty much how you pick it up. I can't eat it because I am allergic to avocados. But yeah, that's how you pick it up, eat it, and ready to go. Super healthy and filled with nutrients. Bye, guys.